Day fourth of CSS projects. So today we will be having a very exciting project, and today we will see how to add a music wave to a product, a music wave to a page. So that's all we are going to complete today. So a warm welcome to all of you, and I hope you all have filled. So wait, one more thing, one more very important thing. Let me share the WhatsApp group link. So in case someone wants to join here. Participant. One second. Copy link. So you can also join the WhatsApp group for further updates. One second. So yes. So we'll start in next couple of seconds. So let's wait for some time so that some more people will join. And after that, we will start with this very exciting project today. So today we will be adding a music wave to a HTML and CSS. So we will see how it works, how it adds, how we can play it, pause it, like that. So let's start now because we are running short of time. And one more second. So just a basic simple music page we will create, and in that music page we will just simply click a audio track. Fine. One second. So for those who are viewing this in your mobile handset, I've increased the font size so that you can hear and view properly. So for this, I've already created style.css and index.html, and the link tag is also been completed. Title I have given adding music here. So let us start now. So here, if you see here, one more thing I just want to tell you. So I have downloaded some images also, okay, and a music track. So that we will link in some time. So let us create a main container dot hero, and inside this we will add another div dot music, and inside this dot music we will add a image. We will add an image which is the mosaic. Let us have a view. So we will be adding this particular gentleman's. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we will target, we will style this hero. So let's copy it. Dot hero will have the width 200%. and in this we will have the height to 100 vertical height, and after that we will use the background image the media we have the background dot jpg. But what we will do, we will add a linear gradient effect here, because that effect will actually change the entire view here. So for this we will be using linear gradient, and in this we will use the RGBA 0.0 and 0.5. One second. 0.0 and 0.5. One second. Okay. And some error is there. So RGBA 0.0 and 0.5. Okay, fine. So it is this. It is now. So this is the linear gradient effect. You can see here. Sorry. So now what we will do? We will use the background position as center and background size as cover. Fine. Now it looks very nice, like a rockstar web page. So we will use a display as flex, and one more thing we will be adding here, align item center. Okay, and what, justify content center. Fine. So this is how the page look like. Now we will add. Uh, Now what we will do? We will add a music track of this gentleman. So for this dot music IMG, and this particular IMG we will using the width to 300 px. So it looks nice. And again, what we will do? We will target this music dot width to 85% and padding of 30 px. So box sizing we will be using box perfect, and again a background is required of black color. Black. Okay, fine. I can say here as for it. Okay, nice. And here we will use a display as flex. Fine. So now what we will do, mm, let's add some more. So we want the info also of the music. So for this we will be creating some album name, or I can say a H1 Bacha Bacha song. So it is here, and here what we will do here. So we will target this Bacha now, and where the okay. So let's dot info. Color will be the white. Okay, and margin left px, or let's make it in the center. It looks also nice. And here we will use the XS1. So now what we will do, we will insert the audio track here. Uh, 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 info. So for this we will use audio, and inside this audio source RC. One second. One minute, one minute, one minute. So here what we will do, we'll use the audio con fine. And in these controls we will use a class also track. This is how it looks like. Now what we will do, we will use a source src. No, something is not getting fixed. So audio controls track is there, we need to link that track. So for this what we will do, source src media. Okay, so now it is linked. So let's play it. Okay, yeah, perfectly fine. Now we have created that, and what we will do, we will declare the type also. Audio slash mp3. So this is how it looks like. So now what we will do, we will be targeting this track dot track, and we'll use a position as absolute. From the right we want auto, and from the width perspective we want 50%. So 50%, 1 second. Okay, fine. Now it looks nice. And one from the margin top of it window, we will put it down somewhere to 80 px. So this is how you can add a. Okay, so this is how you can add a web page, or what I can say, you can add a audio track in your web page. So let me go through you once again. So this is a parent div what we have created, and inside this div we have a class called hero. Fine. And in this hero we have a class called music, where we have inserted this image. And inside this again we have a class of info, which is this one, and after this we have the h1, which contains this, the Bacha song, and then audio tag, which has a controls and class called track, and a source where we have linked the music track. So that's all here what we need to do it. And after that what we will do here, we have declared for the hero class, the hero is the entire container, and inside this what we will do, we have a width, okay, height, background image. In the background image we have added the linear gradient concept, where we have the image starting from this to this, okay. And the background position we have as center, and in this we have background size as cover, display will be the flex, okay. Align item center, justify content center. For the music img, music is what, music is a subcontainer. For the music img we have the width as 300 px, and again for the music what we have did, the width will be 85%, padding we have given, and box sizing is border box, and background is this. This is the background of the linear gradient. Fine. And the display will be the flex. Now what we have done that in the second part, in the info which contains this Bacha song thing. So we have the color as white and margin left as 60 px. So we have shift this here, or in the flex as 1. Now in the track, this particular track, what we did, we have the position as absolute, right from the right it is auto, width is 50%, and from the margin top is 80 px. So this is the simple project which contains a audio track also, and this is also working. So you can have the icons also here. One second. So these fast forward icons are also working. Volume icon. So this is a complete track which you will get when you add this audio tag. So that's all for the day. Hope you like it.